When I was in the toilet this morning.
The quad bike tyres are around here this side, I mean, the little red wagons tyres.
Those little black donuts.
Make sure you got enough for a trail.
Is that antidepressant you're putting on the fire?
Yeah. I think it's gin. Or vodka. A vodka.
Well, it is a rat track. Could be gin.
Yeah, it probably will be. It's got to be alcoholic. There you go, mate. Yep. Soak those buggers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now you're onto it.
Oh.
Don't do that.
No, I'll do it over there. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was a bit of round firewood.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that's just bundled up sticks, that one.
Mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the shape of a tyre.
Exactly. You couldn't tell.
Ooh, it's getting all fancy dancy now.
Have you got enough to make a little trail? Right.
What a shot.
Right.
Oh, God, Hayden, you should try golf.
Don't encourage him.
Or tennis.
He said, why would he want to hit a couple
Does your old
of
man play
white
golf? He
balls
does everything
around?
else.
One thing he doesn't do. I do it.
Shriveling up right now.
Probably will be in a minute.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go. Luke's going to lose his skin to eyebrows.
Ignition. Whoa!
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Good stuff.
Hopefully.
The trail's not going out in a hurry, is it?
Oh, it'll go out.
We need some acetylene balloons.
There could be a couple of possums or rabbits in there.
Not for long. I hope they don't get caught on fire and start running out.
They will. I've seen that happen.
We'll all end up drunk and chasing them around.
I know.
We'll just finish them off on the
Get the
barbie.
fire extinguisher to put them out.
Get stick.
Oh no.
Who brought the marshmallows?
There we go. That's more like it.
There we go. Get a bit of air in it now.
You won't stop it now.
Let's try the propane.
Hang on, let's ring 111. Get the fire brigade.
See what they're going to give us out of 10.
Yeah, I've already got a box for them.
Get us,
I've programmed them to.
when they turn up, say, what do we get out of 10 for this one?
Yeah. Oh, they'll all stand around and get warm.
Well, it should throw some heat in there.
Oh yeah. This not even started yet.
That's just the light stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So much diesel in that.
Don't worry, Luke. Let it burn the grass, mate.
Why don't you take your boots off first? It's getting away now, isn't it?
They'll warm your boots up, mate.
Oh, it's actually throwing some light out.
It is. Pretty good. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is like toasty.
It won't be long before the Karens are out.
There's a lot of fuel in
Yeah. Far out, that's getting away now, isn't it?
As I see it, I feel like that Nazi in the snow place in Indiana Jones getting his belly and
Hear me higher.
Okay.
And that's actually quite a spectacular place.
Okay.
So we're going to go and visit that.
Where's that at?
So awkward. Oh my god.
26-foot van one, yeah. So that way you take the doggies around and do the thing.
This is a big fire.
I know this feels good. I kind of like that. It feels good.
I smell.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah. You gotta just do things. You can't take it all with you.